Okay, Russell fam. Today we're doing another Beyblade video. So we have Brutal Lunar and Archer Hercules, which these two came in a set. Strike Valtrek, which came, I don't know, I traded my friend a Beyblade for another Beyblade. Kerbeus, Shelter Regulus, Emperor Fornius. Oh no, a bursted Beyblade. Here is how you fix that. I got a little handy dandy cameraman here. So you have the QR code in case you need it. I'm going to get you a few different angles here. There's that. This is Tempest Wyperon. Spins. So in case you're wondering how to fix it, if it ever bursts, put it on. You just push and twist, and it's unbursted. So now let's head back over here. Let's head back over. Here is my stadium. Here is the QR code for that right here. Becca, can you get it for me?
Yes.
Oh, wait, I accidentally showed you guys that in the video last time.
Oh, yeah.
Now, I am going to give you the QR code for every Beyblade I have here. We have Emperor Fornius. There's Emperor Fornius. Hang on. They're stuck. Ah! Shelter Regulus. These pull out. And if you have the app, it is one of the best games. It's very fun. But we only get to play it on rainy days, so. Unbursting right now, it's fine.
So, Bailey, what tip does that Beyblade have on it?
This has the Buster Excalius tip, which is a turbo bay. Ugh.
Hard.
Yeah. Strike Valtrek. These two came in a set, and if you scan Hercules, it comes with 2 extra tips in the game and in real life. And if you scan Brutal Luminor, it comes with 2 extra tips also. Oh, oops, I forgot to give you all the QR code for it. And we're going to do some Bay battling in a second. So, whew. And like I said, Beyblade is an awesome game. If you've never played it, you definitely need to get you some. And I'm kind of going to be showing you some launches that just work for me and stuff like that. So let me just
Throw all the bays in there.
Ah! Some bays are super easy. Some bays or Beyblades do not. Here we go. So, I need to unburst it for Fornius. And this is a turbo stadium because it has the slingshot modes here. I got this at Walmart for like $10. I ordered it from Walmart.com. It works pretty good. But my friend has a really good stadium. So here's Hercules. Here's what just always worked for me. So, look. Put it on. Twist. Now what works for Hercules is you put your finger in this little loop right here. And what I do is I do this. Follow me, Becca. I do this, and then I go and slam it right back in there. And here's how I recommend picking up a Beyblade. When it's spinning like this really hard, you scoop your fingers under the tip and pick it up. And now, Strike Valtrek. This works for me with this one. You do this. And if you ever get a Beyblade stadium, this is going to happen. You can't avoid it. Scratches. Do you get that in the camera, Bekah? You see the little scratches in there? Yeah, you can see them. Yeah. But you cannot. Here's what works with 40s.
So, Bailey, I see some writing on the stadium.
I just did that. Well, no, one of my friends did that.
Oh, yeah.
You just do an angle launch with it. Those are the pockets. It's very loud, but they work very well if you want to stop your opponent. Or what I do with 40s is, let's say I was in the air, I would do this. I shoot it up in the air like this, and I launch it harder, but I try to do it slower. Woo! I'm not using that launcher. It doesn't fit my hands very well.
It doesn't.
Okay, now I'm still on bursting it. This baby's kind of tricky sometimes. And my mom says I can't have my own Beyblade channel yet unless this video gets 1,000 views and our channel gets 1,000 subscribers. So please subscribe, and you'll be getting much more Beyblade stuff and content from my channel. They get stuck in there a lot. That's why I hate those. And hey, I put it in the pile. So now we're using Luminor, which is a left spin. So L stands for right. L stands for left, and right stands for right. And here's what works with Luminor. R stands for right, yeah. So what I do is I put it on the launcher, and I throw it into a wall. I don't throw it, but I put the Beyblade in a wall. And I'll go boom, boom, boom. And I have a stamina type tip on it. I have a Nubian tip on it. Tempest Wyvern stock combo. That means it has that's pretty much Wyvern there. And what you need to be careful of is when you pick up Wyvern. I love this feature. When you grab it, you grab these, and it'll just keep spinning, and it can't cut you. One of my friends, his hand got cut from picking up a Beyblade. It was a fake one, and it has real metal on it, and it cut his finger. That's ridiculous. And didn't I give him all the QR codes for everything?
Mm-hmm.
And, yeah. The game, I love it. It's pretty great. This game, I'm not talking about the electronic game. This is great. And funny, my friend's dad thought you were supposed to Beyblade like this. But no, we're supposed to do it like this. So remember, tell all of your friends that we need to get 1,000 views on this video. And we need to get 1,000 subscribers. And we will get a Beyblade channel! So don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. And don't forget to get off video games, go outside, and have some fun.